morning, everyone. This is my life wire. It's a little bit noisy outside, so I'm gonna just talk here indoor. This is the filter I just got for the Sigma 30mm f1.4 lens, and it's been cloudy the past 3 days, so I haven't got a chance to test it because I need good lighting to test the filter. And today we got some light. I'll show you here. See the sun is shining again. Everything's bright and vibrant again. More overcast. So yeah, today is the day that I can finally test the filter. That's great. And another idea that I've been thinking about testing is, so I've been thinking about getting the Leica 12 to 60mm f2.8 to 4 to replace this kit lens of 3.5 to 5.6. I know the f-stop is not that much faster. It's a little bit faster, maximum 1 stop faster at the long end. But I am falling in love with the build quality, just how good it looks. I know it's stupid. The price is at least twice as much as a kit lens, and it doesn't perform exactly twice as much as well. I mean, the kit lens is a very capable lens, but it is a beautiful lens. I don't know. I guess that's why so many people fall for Leica products, because you know their products are just premium and very beautifully built. Anyways, I just wanted to test, since we're vlogging on the f3.5 at 12mm. I want to see how it looks when we vlog at 12mm f2.8. So basically, I want to emulate the Leica look with this Sigma lens, Sigma 10 to 20 lens. I'm gonna zoom into about 17mm. That is about 12mm on a micro four third. This one is with a speed booster. So this has an aperture of a 3.5. So it goes down to f2.5 on the GH5, and then I can just set it at f2.8 and we can see how it compares. Alright, let's do this test. Okay, first shot outdoor. This one is with the Lumix f3.5, the kit lens. I feel like the footage is a little bit bright, I don't know. It's overexposed in the background, I don't know. Alright, I'm extending my arm all the way, and now I'm gonna pull the camera a little bit closer to my face. Yeah, it is indeed pretty bright in the back. I told you there's sun today. Great day. Alright, now let's switch lens and we'll see how much of a difference does it make with the f2.8. Oh, probably not that much. Let's see. Alright, here we are. And this is the Sigma 10 to 20mm at 17mm, and oh shoot, I forgot to set the aperture. Just 1 minute. This is probably f2.5. Alright, so now we're at f2.8. So this is what it should look like on the with the Leica 12 to 16mm. So is this a significant enough upgrade? I don't think so. The upgrade from 3.5 to 2.8 is minimum. It's not even 1 stop faster. But I don't know. Just want to have a look. And yeah, we've been anxiously waiting for the result of the US election. I've been following this the whole day yesterday. I've been following on a phone, following on my computer, refreshing the pages. And yeah, we're still waiting for Georgia, waiting for Nevada, and North Carolina. And yeah, Biden has a very good chance to win, but still, it's not certain yet. But if he can just win any one of these states, it's gonna be a nail in the coffin, and he's gonna take it on. Trump is gonna go bye-bye. So yeah, I'm very, very excited about it. And I was thinking maybe I will get an American flag and put it over there just to celebrate that awesome occasion. Alright, now let's bring the camera a bit closer to myself. I'm gonna adjust the zoom, the focus. Alright, that's because this is obviously a manual focus lens. I mean, it's not It has autofocus, but I use manual focus only because, you know, adapted lens. Let's pull it a little bit farther away. How does it look compared to the Lumix? I don't think there's a significant difference, right? What do you think? I mean, I could just vlog this lens, you know, 10 to 20 millimeters. It's wider, it's faster, but it's also very heavy. Yeah, so this is kind of specialized lens, not general purpose lens, not a vlogging lens for me. It's too heavy for vlogging, even though I have vlogging in mind when I bought this lens. But in practicality, in practice, like, just too heavy. Just don't feel like carrying. Also, when I do vlog, I would rather to take general purpose lens, all-round zoom lens that goes wide to 24mm full-frame equivalent, and then can zoom also a lot, so you can just focus on things that's particularly interesting when I see something, and create some dramatic effect sometimes. But you know, with an ultra-wide zoom lens, you cannot really do this because the longest focal length is about 28mm full-frame equivalent. So, also, it is manual. I can only use manual in video. That's another downside using this lens, vlogging. So, with for example, my kit lens Lumix, I can just point and shoot. It's very convenient. I mean, the autofocus is not always reliable, but at least you have that there. It's a convenience. So that's why I've been thinking about getting the Leica 12-60. So it is very similar. It's almost identical to the Lumix kit lens. I just want the upgrade of the build quality. I want to upgrade of a little bit of f-stop upgrade. Right now we are shooting at f2.8 with the ultra-wide lens, just to give you a fair comparison, direct comparison. After last clip, you can see how it looks when holding something up close to this lens. I mean, obviously the bokeh is going to be a little bit better at f2.8. It is what it is. And yeah, this is going to be it for this little comparison video. And then I'm going to make the other comparison video, the comparison test, the filter test, in another separate video. Yeah, not in this vlog. This is a vlog. The filter test is not going to be a vlog. I won't be talking about anything other than the filter. Alright, let's go.